Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. It's a beautiful Coburg morning here at the world headquarters of Marathon Coach 1219 right here. Beautiful coach. Got a lot going on this morning, but I wanted to take the time to show you a flooring job that's being done on a coach. First of all, organizing a service department, takes a lot, and because there's not a coach in this first stall, we could show you this wall. I've always liked this wall. Chris Welch, our head of service, does a pretty good job of keeping it updated with everybody's picture on there. And then also, every coach that's being worked on has a spot in there. I said 1319, that's 1314. The owners are going to shoot me for that one. That's 1314. I think I said 1319. 1314. Beautiful coach. Let's go down here. We are going to look at some flooring. Now, one of the things I want to tell you is the reason we're doing this. The reason we're doing this, showing this remodel, is the same reason we've done these remodel shows many, many times. Here's Coach 1285. 1285 recently sold. This guy is headed down to the desert in a couple of days. You see a lot of activity going on in here. In fact, you can get a really good shot right here, Armand. I think they're looking at the TV up there. This is 1285, beautiful double slide X3. Headed on down to the desert in a couple of days. Okay, so the reason that we do these remodel shows is that it helps you guys, the consumer, make that decision that, first of all, you can purchase a pre-owned Marathon, and the second thing is the place to get it remodeled, reimagined, or just a couple of alterations to it is definitely at Marathon. And Coburg does an amazing job on flooring. And I never miss an opportunity to highlight when our guys are going to be in there doing the floor. I was talking with the heavenly hands of Rob Angelo earlier about the flooring in this, and we're going to take a look inside. Now, I did do a before video of this that you have not seen. This is Coach 0517, I believe. It's a 99 non-slide. And, you know, the family came out here. They spent some time with engineering. They spent some time with our design team. And they spent some time down here in the service department getting acquainted with what exactly they wanted to do with their coach. And we are doing a complete reimagining of this coach. Let's go inside. So what you will see in here, first of all, I'm going to be showing you the before video. It won't be a live video because I had to shoot it right before our guys got in here. That's one thing. We don't want to hold up any of their schedule because our service schedule is the customer's schedule. So we don't want to hold up the customer's schedule just for a video. But I came in here and was able to do it last week prior to them starting in this coach. And as you can see, the stiles and valances are completely removed. This is all new board backing here. This is all new board here. And then these have been removed here. So no stiles and no valances in this coach. They're completely being redone. And that's going to be really cool to see. A 99, so a 22-year-old Marathon. And so there was nothing wrong with them from a functional standpoint, but from a stylistic standpoint, it didn't meet the needs of the new customers, of the new owners of this Coach 0517. So they got with our design team and they're going to change them. And so Greg is actually working on those. Now, another thing you'll see is down here where the floor, the seats have been taken out, the occasional table. So I'm excited for you guys to see the video before. Where Armand is standing right now is where the sofa was. And so The sofa's been removed. The chairs have been removed. And Armand, do you remember what this is? This material right here.
Isolation?
Yes, isolator. This is isolator backing. And Rob Angelo talked to us about this morning. This is what's on the floor right now. This product acts sort of as a barrier between the subfloor and the actual flooring that's going in here. And what's going in here is going to be Black Galaxy tile. So it acts as kind of a barrier between the two, so that you're not just laying tile directly to mortar, which goes directly to the subfloor, and it just really helps the longevity of the floor. It's not sound deadening or anything like that, but it really acts as a clean barrier between the two surfaces. All right, so we're going to come on through here. This is a coach that we're going to show you through throughout its time here in service, which is probably going to be a couple of months. The flooring is literally the biggest project that they're doing, so it's the first project they're doing. They've taken out the things that they needed to do. All right, I love the floor plan. I love the S-curve of the floor plan. Oh, backsplashes too, that's right. Updated to the backsplashes. So as you can see, the backsplash, what they did was they removed what was here before, and they put down a new wood surface here so that they'll be able to put in the new backsplash tile. That's going to be cool. And we've got more of this backing all throughout the floor. And you'll see protective tape all over the coach. And you can see right here, I believe this is a brand new, looks like Greg just put this up. It looks like he's fitting it up here. And there will be new styles and valances back here in the bedroom also. Looks like he's fitted this up here so that he can make sure that it's correct and it fits properly and it looks good before going to upholstery to have it covered. And as you can see, there's protective tape all over the coach to protect it while it is in the service department. Here's more of that material. That's really cool. I had not really seen it up close because usually they start laying the floor quite quickly after putting that down. It's something that they use in production also. So Rob and Wes will be in here probably today starting to lay the Black Galaxy tile floor in this coach. So wanted to really get in here and show you what's going on in here. And as you can see, the cockpit has been is much more exposed, and that is what a cockpit looks like on a 22-year-old Marathon. Co-pilot seat, pilot seat, both been removed, and I think Armand and I are going to venture outside the coach and look at a few of the items that have been pulled. Thank you, Armand. Excuse me. Hope everybody had a good weekend. I'm headed back down to Indio later this week. Kind of wrap up the season. It's been quite a great season down there in Indio, and I appreciate all of you guys watching the videos that we do from down there. It's always fun to see what's going on down there. Last week we had a really cool tour on a boat through Motor Coach Country Club with the 2 miles of waterway that they have at Motor Coach. It's really cool. I enjoy showing you guys what it's like down there. Here's the sofa that was removed. It's going to be a completely new sofa from what I understand. That is a jackknife sofa, and these look like Greg is working on them. I'm not going to get in his way by touching too much of them or moving them, but this says driver's side. It's a lot of work that goes into these. I see several different woods that are being used, including some curved wood right here. I've seen Greg do a lot of work, and I don't see him around here right now, but boy, he does fantastic work. Our service department here in Coburg, an amazing, amazing job out of these guys. I can't say enough about what they do. And then I think over here, covered up, I'm not sure, this is the pilot seat right here. Yes, what you can't see over here is the co-pilot seat, but this is the pilot seat. I believe they're getting a new covering. I'm not sure, because from what I remember when I did the earlier video that you haven't seen yet, these seats are in amazing condition. They were either recovered or they've been well kept. And yeah, so much going on in 0517. I'll be excited for you to not only see it through the progress that we're doing on it, but also the video that I shot earlier. Let's go to the other side of the coach and want to look at the paint. Keep in mind it's a little dirty, but is one of the things that always stands out are these riveted coaches of this era. I just love the style of it. There's so many cool, excuse me, there's so many cool aspects to it, but I really like things like this right here always stand out. This angled light right here, the ribs of the stainless, the rivets. What a cool coach. Non-slide 1999 Marathon. Armand, before we zip out of here for the week, can we walk back down this way? Okay. We've talked about this a lot internally here at Marathon. There's a Marine symbol in the front of this coach. That's really cool. Being a military veteran, I love to see something like that. Someone put that on their coach. That's a really cool way to display their service. 1285 again. It's a coach that I know pretty well. Like I was saying, one of the things that we've talked about internally here is I'm pretty good at getting in trouble by just saying, hey, let's go here, let's go there, without asking Armand if it's okay if we're going to run out of our Wi-Fi, or if we're going to do something that's going to get us in Wi-Fi trouble, because there are dead zones in this. We've got repeaters all over this building, but even with the repeaters, there are different things that we lose out on when it comes to Wi-Fi. Well, I guess that's about it. Here's a good shot of the side of 1314. It's a fantastic coach. And I think that someone backing out of coach is my signal to get out of here for the week. Be yourself and do good things. Thanks everybody for supporting Marathon and the Marathon Mondays with Mal show. I'll be down in Indio this week. If you're looking to get into a marathon, MALW at marathoncoach.com. I'm a salesman first, and then these videos second. So if you're looking to get into a coach, reach out to me. Let's get you traded in, let's get you traded up, and let's get you on the road in a marathon. See you next week. Actually, I'll be doing some Mal on the Move videos from Indio. So I'll be down there later this week. So if you're not already on the Marathon Mondays with Mal Facebook page, go to that, like it, follow it, and I'll be doing some videos from Indio. All right, everybody, take care. See you soon.